solve this question. In a factory, it is desired to lift 200 kg of metal through a distance 12 meter in 1 minute. Find the minimum horsepower of engine to be used. Okay, so we have to lift an object of mass 200 kg of metal through a distance 12 meter in 1 minute. So how much will be the increase in potential energy? So increase in potential energy will be equal to mgh. So m is 2000 kg, g is 10, h is 12 meter. So that is 24 into 10 to the power 4 joule. So this is the energy change of the object, and there is no mention of velocity. So kinetic energy change we can consider at 0. The object is moved slowly. Okay, although it is not written, but since nothing is mentioned about velocity, we can take it as 0. Okay, the object is lifted slowly. Okay, assuming object lifted slowly. Assuming object lifted slowly. Okay. Then what will be the minimum horsepower? So horsepower means power. So power will be equal to what? Total change of potential energy that is coming from work actually. So work by time. So that is total change of potential energy plus kinetic energy by time. So kinetic energy is 0. Potential energy is 24 into 10 to the power 4 in 12 minutes. In how much time? 12 minutes. So 12 minutes means, so if it is 1 minute, then we can write it as 24 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 60 seconds. Okay. So we are getting 0.4. So 4 kilowatt. This much we get 4 kilowatt. So power will be 4 kilowatt. Okay.